Happy day and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning about fats and oil. Let's start with a basic question. What really is fat? Fats are those which have relatively high melting point and are solid at room temperature. Now let us look at the types of fat. There are two main types of fat and they are invisible and visible fat. Invisible fat. Invisible fat are those that are naturally present in foods like meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, nuts, eggs and seeds. Visible fat. This kind of fat is made from the above mentioned products. For example, lard, rolls of fat in cooking, rolls of fat in food preparation and nutrition, used for pan frying, basting, shallow frying and deep frying. Basting is a technique where meat is cooked with its own juice or any other sauces or marinades. It improves the texture of food by aiding the leavening process in cakes by trapping air during the mixing process. Fats shorten doughs by interfering with gluten formation and thereby producing tender products. Smoothens ice creams and other frozen desserts. This is due to the fat's ability to act as a stabilizer and it also provides structure and retains flavor. Fats also improve the palatability and overall quality of products. They improve the palatability by taking up or dissolving certain aromatic flavor substances and quality by trapping moisture. Example like in production of baked products or rippling water in the process of frying foods. Changes in fat during the process of heating. There are 4 ways in which oils get chemically decomposed, which leads to a diminution of smoke point and operating temperature. Oil is chemically decomposed during the cooking process, which leads to the deterioration in the cooking quality of the oil when kept in use for a long time. Deteriorated fats or oil foam easily, have lower smoke points, darken in color, smell unpleasant and is excessively absorbed by the food. What is smoke point? The temperature at which smoke comes continuously from the surface of the fat or oil when heated is referred to as smoke point of the fat. Fats soften gradually on heating and they do not have a sharp melting point. Fats can be heated to a temperature beyond the boiling point of water, which helps them brown the surfaces of foods. Smoke point of fat or oil differs from one fat to another, so fats need to be chosen on the basis of their resistance to smoking at the temperature used. Let us have a glance on the factors that lowers the smoke point of fat. Factors that lower smoke point are hydrolysis of fat. During frying of fat, hydrolysis of fat occurs, which leads to the formation of free fatty acids that serves as the precursor to rancidity or oxidation. Presence of particles like flour. Prolonged use. Reusing oil for a long time creates free radicals, which in turn leads to inflammation and other diseases like obesity, diabetes and heart diseases. Size of the pan. Usage of shallow, wide pans with sloping sides will lower the smoke point. Let us know how our oil is selected based on the cooking with relation to smoke point. Sesame oil. The cooking temperature is 175 to 210 degrees Celsius. It is used in pickles for its flavor and preservative property and is used to stir fry and saute. The oil is cold pressed with a light flavor and the decorticated seeds contain about 25% oil. Olive oil. Refined olive oil has a smoking temperature of 234 degrees Celsius. It is used for searing, poaching, frying and many other cooking methods. Coconut oil. The smoke point of coconut oil is 138 degrees Celsius. It imparts a characteristic flavor. It can be used for pan frying and deep frying. for example in making of banana chips. Dairy fats like butter and margarine. Butter, it has a smoking temperature of 208 degrees Celsius. It is highly valued for its complex flavor. Butter is not used for deep fat frying because of the water content restricts the cooking temperature, and the short chain fatty acids cause a rapid breakdown and discoloration. Margarine, it is relatively less vulnerable to thermal decomposition due to the presence of longer chain fatty acids, but it can still not be used for deep frying. Testing for adulteration in olive oil and coconut oil. Olive oil. Pour 2 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil into a glass jar and seal it. Place the jar in the refrigerator for 24 hours. If the oil gets solidified, it's monosaturated and is pure olive oil. If the oil remains a liquid, then it is surely adulterated. Coconut oil. Pour the coconut oil into a transparent glass. Place the glass in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, but ensure you do not keep it in the freezer. Following refrigeration, the oil gets solidified. If the oil is adulterated, then the other oils remain as a separate layer. Do we all know that a satisfactory fat is one that has high decomposition point, high smoking temperature with no undesirable color? The ingredients in the product being fried influence the color change in the frying fat. So choose the oil wisely based on what you need to prepare. Here are the reference slides. Thank you. Stay informed, stay healthy.